For sale, 1959 Cadillac custom conversion. Round pushpin location, Sandusky, Ohio. Heavy $ price, $29,500. Oncoming automobile vehicle details. Mileage, 82,396 miles. Transmission, automatic. Exterior color, classic blue. Interior color, crisp white. Fuel type, petrol. Condition good. History, clear with no significant damage or issues. Hammer and wrench, seller's notes. Originally a 6-window sedan, custom converted years ago by previous owners. Stored for several years, now running and driving smoothly. New brake cylinders installed on all wheels for reliability. Light bulb, don't miss out on this iconic piece of automotive history. Perfect for classic car enthusiasts or collectors. Telephone receiver, contact the seller for more details or to schedule a viewing. For sale, 1973 Dodge Challenger. Round pushpin location, Copiague, New York. Heavy $ price, $24,900. Oncoming automobile vehicle details. Mileage, 55,555 miles. Transmission, automatic. Exterior color, black diamond. Interior color, black vinyl bucket seats. Fuel type, petrol. Condition good. History, clear with no significant damage or issues. Hammer and wrench, seller's notes. This rare black-on-black 1973 Dodge Challenger is a great find with original low mileage. Equipped with its original 340 V8 engine. For barrel carburetor, an iconic rally package. It combines power and style. White heavy checkmark features include power steering and brakes, front disc. Kragar wheels with raised white letter tires. Sport hood with hood/fender mounted turn signals. Bucket seats with console and wood grain panel. Originally had factory AC, currently removed. Clipboard data plate decoded. JH23, Dodge Challenger high 2-door hardtop. E55, 340 SID 4-barrel V8, 275 horsepower. TX9, black diamond exterior and top. A 57, 72 to 74 rally package. Automobile condition. Runs and drives great. Could use paint restoration to match its all-original body. Light bulb, a perfect opportunity for collectors or muscle car enthusiasts to own a piece of Dodge history. Telephone receiver, contact, hidden information for financing options or to discuss trades. For sale, 1966 AMC Marlin. Round pushpin location, Battle Creek, Michigan. Heavy $ price, $11,500. Oncoming automobile vehicle details. Mileage, 38,200 actual miles. Transmission, automatic. Exterior color, purple. Interior color, brown. Hammer and wrench, seller's notes. This rare and unique 1966 AMC Marlin is a classic car enthusiast dream. With low, original mileage and a stylish design, this gem is ready to hit the road. Light bulb, don't miss the opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Telephone receiver, contact, hidden information to schedule a test drive in Battle Creek, Michigan. For sale, 1972 Chevrolet Nova SS. Round pushpin location, Ronkonkoma, New York. Heavy $ price, $15,000, negotiable. Oncoming automobile vehicle details. Mileage, 100,000 miles. Transmission, automatic. Exterior color, blue. Interior color, black. Fuel type, petrol. Ownership, paid off with a clear history. Hammer and wrench, seller's notes. This 1972 Chevy Nova SS features a small block turbo setup, automatic transmission, and American racing wheels. While it does need some work, this is a great opportunity for an enthusiast to bring it back to its glory. Light bulb price is negotiable, so let's make a deal. Telephone receiver, contact the seller for more details and to schedule a viewing. For sale, 1955 Mercury Monterey. Round pushpin location, Willow Grove, Pennsylvania. Heavy $ price, $12,000. Oncoming automobile vehicle details. Condition, Used good. Recent updates. Cleaned interior and buff paint. New carpet and radiator. Borgeson power steering conversion. Glove box-mounted radio. 12-volt conversion and electronic ignition. New Holley QFD 450 carb. Stainless headers with custom 2-inch dual exhaust featuring Flowmaster mufflers. Original bumper mount tips maintained. Installed by DC Customs in Warminster, Pennsylvania. Hammer and wrench, seller's notes. This 1955 Mercury Monterey is a solid driver that turns heads wherever it goes. It shows some signs of its 70-year history, but is in great shape for its age. Recently showcased at local events, this car is ready for its next chapter. Lightbulb seller's reason for selling. Need space for a Jeep project. Telephone receiver, contact the seller today to learn more and schedule a viewing. For sale, 1936 Ford Coupe Original. Round pushpin location, Hamilton, Ohio. Heavy $ price, $19,999. Oncoming automobile vehicle details. Mileage, 1,900 miles, believed to be original. Transmission, automatic. Exterior color, black. Interior color, red. Fuel type, petrol. Ownership, paid off. Clear history. Condition, minimal rust, no significant damage or problems. Hammer and wrench, seller's notes. This classic 1936 Ford Coupe runs and drives well with minimal rust. It is believed to have its original miles, making it a rare find for enthusiasts or collectors. Telephone receiver, contact the seller today to learn more or schedule a viewing of this timeless beauty. For sale, 1966 Chevy Nova. Round pushpin location, Lagrangeville, New York. Heavy $ price, $36,500. Oncoming automobile vehicle details. Condition, used good. Engine, 327 V8. Transmission, 2-speed power glide. Features, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, body, perfect condition. Originality, retains most original parts. Hammer and wrench, seller's notes. This 1966 Chevy Nova is a must-see classic in excellent shape. Runs great with modern conveniences like AC, power steering, and power brakes while maintaining its classic charm. Telephone receiver, contact the seller today to schedule a viewing or test drive this beauty.
Alright, so I'm about to take Lucy for a ride, even though it's 96 degrees out here. My girl needs to go for a ride. I just ran over my goddamn gas tank. Motherfucker. 64 Galaxie. And here we go!
For sale, classic 1964 Ford Galaxie. Round pushpin location, Browns Mills, New Jersey. Heavy $ price, $8,000. Oncoming automobile vehicle details. Condition, used good. Originality, most original parts intact. Performance, runs great. Hammer and wrench, seller's notes. This 1964 Ford Galaxie is a fantastic classic car in good condition. It retains most of its original parts and offers smooth performance. Ready to hit the road or be restored to its full glory. Telephone receiver contact now to schedule a viewing or pick up directly from Browns Mills, New Jersey.